Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today, we're working on the Land Rover. We're gonna do a quick video upgrading the steering system here. My truck has the stock steering servo in there. It's a 15 kilogram. I recently just picked up Power HD 40 kilogram from my local hobby store. Now, my main reason behind that is because I have the TRAXX, and last winter, with the truck sitting still, I couldn't turn from left to right. The vehicle had to be moving to make any turns. So I'm gonna put this upgrade in to enjoy the truck more with the TRAXX, and it should be a major upgrade without the TRAXX as well for my steering capability. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this video. So this is stock servo, no weight on the vehicle besides itself. Full left to right. Now I'm going to fully compress the shocks and then turn. So not much turning movement. So see the difference with the TRAXX on now. So we got the TRAXX installed now, and we got the stock servo. No weight on the vehicle besides itself. Barely wants to turn. And let's add some weight. Shocks compressed. Let's get that new servo in there. Alright, so it's the moment of truth. The new Power HD 40 kilogram servo is installed. We got the Traxxas on, and there's no weight on the vehicle. And we're gonna turn. With full weight. Look at that, it still has power to turn. Much better. For all my RC vehicles, I generally like to run them stock until I come across an issue or problem to then upgrade. I like doing that to see the true capabilities and performance of the vehicle, and also to just save money. I mean, I just spent all this money on the car, I may as well use it until it breaks. So I put in the new servo, and I took it out for a little test drive in the backyard. Got in between two rocks, and I guess with the new power of the servo, when it was binding, trying to turn, it stripped the plastic servo horn. So happy it happened in my backyard, now on the trail. So in the meantime, I went ahead and I got the TRX-4 Traxxas metal steering servo horn. So we're gonna go ahead and install this, and then I'll show the difference with the metal in there, as I guess should have just got one time. But again, it's cool to see things fail and see how capable they are, and I guess the new power of the new servo just did it, and hopefully this is the answer and we can get back out there and have some awesome, better performance.
You